In this video, I'll show you how to set up a bill approval workflow in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so bills get reviewed by the right person before payment and your process stays consistent and traceable. Start in your company file and open Workflow Automation from the left menu. Then go to My Workflows to see what already exists so you don't duplicate rules. Click Custom Workflow, choose the approval template, and select the Bill Approval option, so QuickBooks provides the structure for routing bills automatically. Now customize the workflow, assign the approver, like a manager or department head, then set conditions for when it triggers either for all bills or only for specific vendors, categories, or amounts over a threshold. Update the notification text so approvers know exactly what they're approving, and give the workflow a clear name you'll recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple approval rules. Click Save, and the workflow becomes active, meaning bills that meet your criteria will be routed for approval going forward. You can return to My Workflows anytime to edit, disable, or refine the rules as your policy changes. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials that streamline approvals and keep spending under control.